Howdy team. Today we're going to work on domain 137, adjust row and height. So what I'd like you to realize is that we're on a Mac today, and it's very similar on the Mac as it is on a PC. A, B, and C are our columns. If we want to make the column narrow, we can change our mouse in between the two columns and drag to make it more narrow. And you see your width. It went to 7 point, there we go, 3. Or we can take it all the way up to 10 or as big as we want. But there's also another way to do it. You can right-click your mouse, and when you right-click your mouse, you can choose column width. And that enables you to type in a specific number. So let's make this big. Let's go 30. And then we go OK. And we've made our first column width of those months 30 wide. All right. Let's learn a little bit about rows now. Rows can also be heightened. So we're going to start with row 5. And we're going to grab in between. See how my mouse changes? In between 5 and 6. And we're going to make that 30 as well. So just like we did with columns, we can make rows bigger and smaller. And so now I'm going to go down to row 10. I'm going to right click. And then I have a row height suggested. Well, I want to make this one rather large. So I'm going to go 50 and apply OK. And then we've made a row 50 in its height. So that is how you adjust row height and column width in Excel.